homeopathy takes a long time to act. Is it true? Now, this is a very interesting question, and I would like to answer it with two simple examples. First was a case of a colleague who was working with me here at the academy, and he developed a severe toothache, and he came to me and he says that, can you give me a remedy? These are my symptoms. So I noted his symptoms and I prescribed a remedy. And I asked him to inform to me in the evening, and the toothache was really severe. So I said that, okay, then you do one thing, let me know in 3 hours. He took the remedy, whichever I prescribed, and to my surprise, in half an hour, he comes and says that there is no toothache. He says that the moment I put the drops on the tongue, the pain started reducing. Now, this is one case example which shows the action of the homeopathic remedy. I would like to give you another example. This is a case of a man who was having chronic cramps in his legs, and he was a known case of diabetes. And he consulted me mainly for the cramps. I prescribed him a suitable remedy, and in 3 to 6 months, his cramps kind of vanished, almost not there. If at all it happens once in 2 months, which was once every week. As he found some relief in his cramps, he asked me, doctor, is there any medicine for my sugars? Because I am taking medicines for it, but my fasting is always 140, 150, sometimes 180, in spite of whatever diet and exercise or whatever I am doing. So I said that I am already giving you the medicines for your sugars, because these medicines are based on your constitution. So it is basically a holistic medicine. But he says my sugars are not showing any relief. I said, let us take this medicine for another 3 to 6 months and then evaluate. After 3 or 6 months after 1 year of treatment rather, he says that, doctor, for the first time my sugars have been below 100 and I'm not doing anything different. The only difference since 1 year is that I've started homeopathic medicines. So what I want to say is, here we see that there is a stark contrast in these two cases, the first case and the second case. First improved just in half an hour, and the other one is still improving, and it's around 1 year or even more than 1 year. So what is this? Why does this happen? Basically, the action of homeopathic remedy depends upon what disease you have, what is the pace of the disease, and thirdly, it is your individual response to a particular homeopathic remedy. These together will decide whether the action is going to be fast, slow or medium. So generally I tell my patients or share with them that there is nothing like a fast or a slow action. It only depends on your disease, your illness, how long the illness is, how chronic the illness is, or how acute or how intense the illness is.